In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Do Not Disturb on Slack. Whether you need some quiet time to focus on a big project or just a break from notifications, Slack's Do Not Disturb feature is your go-to tool for managing noise. Let's dive in and walk through the steps to set it up. First, you'll want to head over to the Slack website. This is where you'll be able to access all the settings that we'll be adjusting today. Once there, locate the Sign In button. You'll find this on the top right corner of the website. Clicking on this will take you to the Sign In page. Now, since many people use Google accounts for seamless access, you'll want to click on the Google Sign In option. This method not only makes things quicker if you have a Google account, but also keeps all your online services connected securely. After logging in with your Google credentials, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your Slack interface. Here, you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. This opens up a menu with various options. Among these, you'll see Update Your Status. Clicking on it allows you to set what others will see about your current availability. In the status field, type in Do Not Disturb. You can customize this message to suit your specific needs or leave it as a clear message to your team that you're unavailable for the time being. Enhancing your status with an emoji can also add a bit of personal flair, assisting in making the status more noticeable to others. Choose an emoji that you feel best represents your Do Not Disturb status. Once you've tailored your message and emoji to your liking, it's crucial to save your updates. Without saving, your status won't be visible to others and they might not realize you're trying to focus. So, be sure to click on the Save button to confirm your changes. Now, to set your Slack notifications accordingly, return to your profile by once again clicking the icon in the bottom left corner. From there, you'll see an option that says Pause Notifications. Select this to control the duration of your Do Not Disturb period. Slack provides flexible timing options which can be adjusted based on how long you need uninterrupted time. Whether it's for 30 minutes or a couple of hours, you set the limit that suits you best. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully set up Do Not Disturb on Slack, ensuring you have the peace and quiet needed to get your work done efficiently. Thanks for watching, and make sure to use your newfound focus time wisely.